Well, there's really just no way to not address exactly what the title of this video sounds like. And no, it's not clickbait. You guys probably saw this coming. We tried to do our best to hide it, but yes. Today, we are officially selling the Lamborghini Huracan to WhistlinDiesel. Now, before you get upset in the comments and before you start just ripping me a new one down below, hear me out. I'm gonna explain myself throughout this video. But before I do that, we're going to drive up to Sheepy Race and meet up with Whistlin because if you guys remember last week, I actually dropped that car off and left it there, and that was to get it ready for Whistlin and pick up the car. Now, I have been in Connecticut for the past 6 days. I just got home last night. It is 90 degrees out. It is warm. It is sunny. It feels fantastic. Today it is actually snowing in Connecticut where I just was. So I will say, man, it is nice to be here. Sabrina left her C8 here today because she's using the truck for hunting company stuff. I debated bringing that today just to compare the green to the Lamborghini green, but they're not really that close. I'm not gonna drive that. The Mustang doesn't have a gas gauge and the seat is still broken, so I don't really wanna drive that. I would drive the Supra, but I'm still really annoyed with this hood fitment and it needs to get fixed. And the RX-7 has a sunroof and it's hot and sunny today, so quite honestly, I just wanna drive this car today and enjoy the warm heat. It's actually been a while since I've driven this car as well, so it being a rotary, it is something that I like to do, is to at least try to drive this car at least once a week or have it running ever. I like to keep this thing running. It's not good to let these things sit. Reliable PPRE motor, start up without any issues. Here we go. When I was in Connecticut, I also drove Tommy F. Yaz's RX-7, and it just made me miss our FE so much that I've been looking forward to coming home and just ripping this thing. And of course, we got tons of traffic, so can't really give her the rip quite yet, but woo! So something I never told you guys is that day where Whistlin and I actually made that video where he made an offer on my car, he ended up actually buying the car just 2 days later, and we both have been pretty busy the last month and didn't have time, one, to film this video, and also he was gonna be coming back to California, which he's back literally this week. So we were just like, we'll keep it under wraps. I haven't really been driving it, if you guys haven't really been noticing that, just mainly because it's not my car. I just didn't want to drive it anymore. A lot of you guys figured it out. If you did, shout out to you. We're supposed to be meeting here at 11. I don't know if he's here yet, but we'll go ahead and just park inside and see if they're here. First things first, I have the title that I need to hand over to Cody today. Oh, and there is the car. Looks like they're already playing with it. So this car, for those of you who don't know, we bought it from West Coast Exotics, put a 1016 wide body on it, did one of my custom favorite British racing green colorways with SOS Customs. We came here to Sheepy Race where the car spent a lot of its time. We did a twin turbo stage 1.5, Motec ECU, twin turbo, made about like 900 horsepower. The thing is beautiful. I absolutely love this car. There's no doubting that. And I know a lot of you guys love this car. But lately, just for this year, there's actually a couple things that I want to be able to do with all the equity that I have in the car. Selling this car allows me to do a few other things that are coming up this year that I'm really excited for. I know there's gonna be a lot of you guys that are upset down below, but this is one of those things you have to trust me. It will all be worth it in the end. And I think with exotics, they're always really fun, but there's always a brand new exotic coming out. It's always something that can easily be replaced. There's no ignoring the fact that a lot of you were pretty upset. That's officially yours, sir.
I now own a Lamborghini.
Now you can finally match your outfit.
You're telling me that after saving my money for over 3 weeks, I finally have a Lamborghini.
I'm really proud of you, dude.
Hell yeah.
Save up for 3 weeks, buy this car. What are you gonna buy next?
You know what my first car was? My first car was a 2020 Aventador that my dad bought for me. And dude, I never thought that I'd be able to get like a green Lambo in the first place, much less like a wide body. My dad said this took like so long for them to put these on. They said that was like super difficult. It's like just goes to show you that like hard work can like get you anywhere. My Rolls was out of gas this morning, so I had to like take my bike. Oh. The private jet, I was on like a 7-hour flight just to get here. So
what are your plans with this thing? What are you gonna do back home? I mean, for those of you who don't know,
I'm originally from Indiana. We're gonna have to take it farming.
Everyone thinks that you're gonna jump this car. Everyone thinks that you're gonna destroy this car. No, yeah, you'd never do that.
Jumping is overrated though.
Jumping is overrated.
I'm gonna be farming with it.
Farming.
Like construction company. We're gonna turn it into a concrete truck So basically that just involves pouring concrete in the back. But yeah, no, I don't want to actually mislead anyone. I actually am going to try to at least enjoy it. So we're going to actually enjoy it for a little bit.
You think so?
Yeah.
Because for those of you who don't know, he actually has a twin turbo R8 that actually is like twice the power.
Which is now a beater.
Which is now your beater.
My dad said I couldn't really do much of this until he at least makes back the money.
Oh, okay.
That he gave me for it.
So maybe just like he waits a couple days and saves his money back.
Yeah, no, he sold like a percentage of one of his stocks.
Just like a very small percentage.
Because yeah, he owns Amazon and Elon Bezos.
Yeah, I've heard of him, I think.
Yeah, this is like one of. Well, there's 3 more in there that he was gonna buy me too, but.
Yeah, well, I have to say, you look really good. If there's anyone that would look like should be driving this car, it's 100% you.
Tell me I don't own a Lamborghini.
I don't think you own one.
I'm gonna go into every gas station and be like, I own a Lamborghini. And be like, no, you don't. You don't own a Lamborghini.
Whether you're still trying to figure out if this video is real or a joke, it's actually very much real. And I don't think I seem as sad on camera or bummed out because, in all honesty, Cody bought this car. Cody bought this car like a month ago, but we've just been keeping it on the wraps. As much as you might think that might hurt me, I'm excited for him, and he's actually really gonna enjoy it. This car is super sick. It's a lot of fun, and I'm excited to see what he's gonna do with it. Everyone who's always been complaining, oh, I wish you would have taken it 200 miles an hour or anything like that, I guarantee you can find him doing it. Stay posted to his videos, because I'm sure he's gonna be doing a bunch of ridiculous stuff that I never did with this car. But until next time, Lamborghini, I don't know if I'll ever see you again.
Probably not.
Probably not.
I don't know if I'll ever see it again.
I'm coming out to
tomorrow.
I'm coming out to
Indiana.
Indiana.
Yep.
That's where I'm coming.
We're gonna go farming. Dude, we need to put a John Deere logo on the side. Yellow John Deere logo.
That'd actually be kind of fire.
We need a yellow John Deere logo right here. Hell yeah, dude. This thing is going farming like right now, dude. We're hooking this bad boy up. We need like a gooseneck hitch.
Have the old girl up here to say the absolute send-off with us. I'm gonna leave Cody with the car. They're filming some ridiculous stuff, so I definitely recommend you guys check out this video. I think it's live the same day as today. Cody, enjoy it, dude.
So much. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be huge.
When you need another Lambo, no, actually, I don't have
How much for that one?
No, sorry, that's not for sale.
How much for that one?
That's not for sale. That will never be for sale.
$700,000.
All right, it's sold. Everyone here is like just as interested in this RX-7 when it's with the Lambo. It's actually pretty sick. This thing gets a lot of attention. I absolutely love it. I think it has 2 steps still. I don't know if it shoots flames or not on. Oh, it did, yeah. Secret that I have to keep from you guys, and I have to say, it feels good. It feels good not having so many secrets out there. Good riddance, Huracan. It was awesome owning you, but on to bigger and better things. Tomorrow, I get to do one of my most favorite things that I get to consider work, and that is I got invited to a day of golf with the McGuire's corporate guys to kind of just discuss some background spice we have cooking up for some ideas for next year. But I have to go play golf tomorrow, and I don't know if you guys have ever heard that before, like some people or some business people are like, oh, I gotta go play golf with the business boys and do all that type of stuff. Well, I'm fortunate enough to have stuff like that pop up in my life, so I have to go play golf tomorrow. I love playing golf. For those of you who don't know, in high school, I used to be a single-digit handicap. I used to play a lot. I try to play as much as I can, but I don't really get to play that much more anymore just because I'm so busy. But I haven't played in about 8 months. I'm a little rusty. I got a brand new set of clubs. I got them fitted. I'm really hyped on them, but I'm a little rusty, and I don't want to embarrass myself tomorrow, so I'm actually gonna squeak out to the local golf range hit a couple balls, get my stroke all set up before we go to dinner. And we're gonna be taking the C8 Corvette because Sabrina's dying to drive this car. And what's really cool is they designed this to have golf bags fit in the back. So we're gonna throw these in just because I've never tested it before. And I'm kind of curious to see how well it actually fits. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I feel like if I really had to, I could almost fit 2 sets of golf bags in there. That's epic. Okay, let's go to the golf range.
And up next to bat, we have Mr. TJ Hunt. Mr. TJ Hunt, everybody. He has not been on the green in quite some time, so this just might not be his best work, but nevertheless, he is going to give it his all, and let's see it, Mr. Hunt. Mr. Hunt, let's see it. All right, he tees up, ladies and gentlemen. He tees up, he squats, he moves closer. He looks at the ball, he looks at the audience, he looks back at the ball. He contemplates where he wants to stand. He goes back into stance. He checks the time, he stands, he kneels, he goes. Oh, he hits a hole-in-one and the crowd goes wild.
That was pretty bad.
That was pretty bad?
Oh, it was terrible.
Oh, okay, let's see another one. All right, Mr. Hunt steps back up in the squatting mode to redeem himself and the crowd goes wild. How was that one?
A little bit of a...
A little bit better.
It was much better, but still need to get back to it. Been a bit.
TJ's going golfing tomorrow with some friends and...
Not with some friends, with McGuire's execs.
Okay, you guys. He's going golfing with the McGuire's execs. And he's getting a little scared. He's getting a little scared that they're going to kick his butt. Oh, but then he knocks it out of the park again. Do you see where it goes?
Yes, I don't know how you don't see it.
I have brain cancer. All right, coming in for a 5th one. Look at that stance. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that calf definition. He's taking a break, ladies and gentlemen. He's really been outperforming himself out there. How does it feel to be a superstar? How does it feel to be the best in your class at golfing?
Who's in my class?
Just you.
You know, it ain't easy being the best, but someone's got to be it, am I right?
Oh, okay. It's a nice shirt you have. What is that?
The bow tie. I don't know if it's sold out or not. I think there might be I think there actually might be a few left in like oddball sizes. When I say
It's
that, I mean
shining.
our main sizes are like medium and large.
Shining in the sunlight.
Really? It's supposed to be black on black. I guess it's like gray on black.
It's sick. Come on, get back up there. Get back out there and show the people what they want to see. Now, as an observer, I have observed that you do like to cut up a lot of grass when you hit your swing, so we're going to see how much grass comes up on this one. Oh, this is a driver, so there won't be any. Oh, there was kind of a lot.
You talked during my backswing.
So sorry.
You talked and you ruined it.
Don't blame me for your lack of skill.
Gets carbon fiber roof option.
Okay.
Puts purse on carbon fiber roof option. So I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking to yourself, what happened to Danny Courtney?
Danny Courtney!
Wow, this thing is sick.
Contrary to popular belief,
man,
Danny
look at the
Courtney is alive and well, and he's breathing, everyone.
Hey,
Whoa.
how are you?
Tees look huge on this.
Do you like the Tron? Here, walk over here. Have you seen it in person yet?
Chandler has, yeah, I have.
Oh.
Danny's opinion is honestly only the one that matters.
I like it. I've
This
liked
is the
it.
most Danny Courtney rap I've ever seen in my life. So of course Danny likes it.
Kind of like walk up to it and you can
No, I agree.
notice the
No,
reflective.
it's pretty cool looking.
Oh, when you walk around this way, you
Dude,
can
from right
notice
here,
it.
you would never notice it.
No, I agree. I agree. It's very cool. The
can't
TE's really set it off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chandler, you gotta see it when it's dark.
Yeah.
And then the lights
Well,
on
I
it.
saw
It's
the
insane.
picture that you posted.
Oh, yeah. She just said.
We just finished up dinner and we're headed back to the house, but if you notice, we are not in the C8. Sabrina's actually driving
I wanted to
Danny's
drive Danny's car. Okay.
Fun fact, Danny's like
Oh, look at her.
Danny's like favorite car ever, and like the car that he really wants to own one day is a C8 Corvette. So we let him drive the car home, and I've been trying to get him to drive my C8 for a while, but because it's boosted and it's pretty wild,
So
he's
that's
always
scary.
like has not wanted to do it. So
Whoa, look
I
how
just
cool-
called him.
Look how cool it looks at night.
I know the
babe.
Tron looks pretty ridiculous. So I just called him. I was like, put it in track mode, like feel out the car and like give it a rip. So Danny's driving that home, and Sabrina's never seen her car rolling before, so
Oh
Sabrina
my
gets that
gosh.
opportunity.
Wow,
It's
look,
pretty
you
cool.
can't even see the Tron on the side. And then as I approach. Go around, Danny. Oh, he's driving it like a bitch.
Whoa, Sabrina calling him out. Yeah, he is driving that little bit of a weenie. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video.
Look at him dodging
This is
the holes.
where, yeah, that's how you should be driving. See how he's dodging the holes?
Go, Danny, go!
Oh, he's not gonna overtake
He's
that person.
a pussy.
But I want to say thank you guys for watching today's video. Sabrina, I don't know if you know this today, but the Lambo, you know, they officially saw the Lambo leave today.
I'm sad. But now we have that cool thing, so who cares? Peace out, Lambo.
I told them there's just things right now that
things that they don't even...
money. All I'm gonna say is what I have replacing that Lambo will be very, very much worth it. You guys will just have to trust me on that, and it will be coming.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
I can't say when it will. I can't say when it will be coming, but it's coming soon. That's all you need to know. Thank y'all so much for watching.
Peace out.
And keep moving forward.